Hello, we are Klora, a team of remote sensing professionals, data scientists, data engineers, UI, and business analysts. Our purpose is to support Aussie sugarcane farmers and bankers with satellite imagery and geospatial data. Sugar generates a total annual revenue of around 2.5 billion Australian dollars, and sugarcane is the main contributor. Queensland sugarcane accounts for 95% of the national production. Every dollar of sugarcane grown, over $6 revenue is generated in Queensland, so it's critical to keep the sugarcane industry prosperous. Problem is, for farmers, they are unsure of whether their crop is healthy and what their yield might be. For banks, it's very difficult for them to offer loans to farmers without knowing for sure farmers' financial situations. This is where Klora comes into play. Klora's users are at the heart of Klora's product. With the help of Klora, farmers can monitor their crop growth and foresee their yield, and banks, without having to visit all the farms, can offer loans to farmers using Klora's estimated income. With rich industry experience in agriculture, computer science, atmospheric and geospatial science, Klora adopted the widely accepted terrestrial ecological model developed by NASA, which can provide an accurate measure of the terrestrial vegetation growth. Midterm future meteorological forecast developed by NOAA is also used for high-quality prediction. Klora is an interactive app with a set of easy-to-use features. The map is one of Klora's focuses. You can choose between satellite view and street map view. You can monitor specific pixels or predefined areas. This is the upcoming harvest season's yield prediction, derived from Klora's machine learning model. It changes as per area on the map. This area contains a set of cards with useful insights, such as year-over-year and sugarcane revenue. Here's the yield and revenue chart. It's interactive with the map. The bar is historical yield and the line is historical sugarcane revenue. Both have predictions highlighted in a different color. There are two methods for our yield prediction. In early stages, the key factor is future weather. Klora built a machine learning model to predict sugarcane yield based on forecasted meteorological data like future temperature and soil moisture, produced by the National Centers for Environmental Prediction. In later stages, the focus is more on observing and estimating sugarcane growth status using satellite images. Klora adopted NASA's quantitative remote sensing methodology and estimated the net primary productivity, which is highly correlated to sugarcane yield. Google Earth Engine is used to process satellite images. Klora follows best practice like Git and is powered by latest technologies like Google Cloud to enable robust CI/CD, scalability, and high availability with minimal costs. Now let's look at how Klora's users can use the app. Imagine you're a farmer in northern Queensland. You just had a rough year with reduced harvest and poor quality cane due to adverse weather. You're not happy and want to know what your yield might be for the coming season. You can click on the area of interest on the map. The expected yield for that area will be shown in the yield gauge. The prediction will be more accurate closer to the harvest date. The card below also provides useful insights, such as year-over-year, harvest date, and expected revenue. This chart gives an insight to last 10 years' yield and revenue generated in chosen areas. Now imagine you're a banker. To provide financing to a sugarcane farmer, you need a good estimate of the farmer's likely income. To get the data, you need to visit remote farms that have limited access. Klora can ease your life by providing sugarcane yield prediction and estimated revenue, so you can have farmers' financial data without having to do excessive field research. Also, you can look at the chart here to see chosen areas' historical yield as an index for decision-making. Klora provides early and fine-grained prediction and multidimensional visuals. Klora defines yield prediction using a 10 by 10 meter scale, which allows users to look at the areas of interest with high resolution. Klora has done its homework. By comparing different machine learning models, Klora made sure that the most interpretable and accurate model is chosen for the product. Klora's purpose is to make Aussie sugarcane farmers and bankers' lives easier. Klora's users are at the heart of Klora's product. With the help of Klora, farmers can monitor their crop growth and foresee their yield. And banks, without having to visit all the farms, can offer loans to farmers using Klora's estimated income. Klora, your one-stop shop sugarcane monitoring application. Life is better using Klora. Choose Klora.